Have you ever seen your oil pressure warning light turn on while driving? Most drivers panic, and some even think their engine is about to fail. But what if I told you? In many cases, it's just a sensor issue, and you can fix it yourself in minutes. Today, I'll show you a secret trick to reset your oil pressure sensor and fix the warning light fast. First, let's quickly understand why this matters. If your dashboard suddenly lights up with that annoying oil pressure warning, or you've just replaced the sensor and the light won't go away, you're probably wondering what's going on. Don't worry, I've got you covered. The oil pressure sensor acts like your engine's watchdog. It constantly monitors oil pressure and sends data to your car's computer. If something goes wrong, too high or too low, it triggers that warning light. And let's be honest, no one likes seeing that. Even after fixing the issue or replacing the sensor, the system may still need a reset, kind of like restarting your phone after an update so everything works properly. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Locate the oil pressure sensor. Start by finding the sensor. In most cars, it's near the oil filter or mounted on the engine block. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual or do a quick search for your specific model. It'll save you time. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Safety first. Use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal and remove the cable. Keep it aside so it doesn't touch the battery. Step 3. Remove the old sensor if replacing. Use a socket or wrench to unscrew the sensor. Be ready, some oil may drip out, so keep a cloth nearby. Once removed, clean the area around the port. Step 4. Install the new sensor. Screw in the new sensor carefully. Don't over-tighten, just snug enough to seal properly. Then reconnect the electrical connector. Step 5. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it. Now your car is ready to power back up. Step 6. Reset the oil pressure sensor. Here's the key step. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. This allows the car's computer to recalibrate and recognize the sensor. Some vehicles may have a different reset method. Always check your manual if needed. Now, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Watch your dashboard carefully. If the oil pressure light stays off, congratulations, you just fixed it yourself. If it's still on, don't panic. Double-check your connections and installation. Sometimes it just takes a bit of troubleshooting. And that's it, a complete step-by-step guide to resetting your oil pressure sensor. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.